Hello ladies and gentlemen, how the devil is everyone? So I wanted to give you a little update and let you know that Helga Moto, the channel, is returning. Helga is back on the road and we can start exploring, taking your moto vlogs and whatnot. So I just wanted to give you a very quick update. I'm out today testing the new GoPro and I'm testing the new microphone. Just been over to have the tyres changed on Helga, brand new tyres. Cobra Chromes, if anybody's interested in knowing what they are, we are Avon Cobra Chromes. Probably one of the best tyres for British roads and British weather. This isn't going to be a full video, guys. I just wanted to do a quick test, really. Make sure that the microphone's okay, the video quality is okay. Check whether or not there's a lot of wind noise coming through. If there is, I apologise. I'm going to try and remedy anything that's a problem with the footage or the audio after this little test, and then I'm going to start uploading moto vlogs on a more regular basis. Oh, it feels amazing. I love that new tyre feeling when it feels like they literally are carving into the tarmac when they dig in. It's a lovely feeling. So I also just wanted to say a quick thank you to everybody as well. I think it was last night on August 29th 2022 that the channel hit 5,000 subscribers, which is a monumental milestone for me and my channel. It's something that is, I mean, it's amazing. I never thought the channel would continue to grow the way that it's grown, even without me needing to post content. And that's not the reason I stopped posting content, but to see the channel continue to grow without my actual presence tells me that whatever it was that I'm doing or had been doing is of value and people appreciate it, and I need to get back to it and update things and give you guys more content, whether it be Intruder tech content, as in working on the bike, or how-to videos, or whether it's moto vlogs like this where I can just go out for a bimble and take you guys with me. Either way, I'm excited to get the channel started again. I've really missed uploading regular content. I definitely want to do more moto vlogs because it means more time riding, less time tinkering. Not that I have a problem with tinkering, I absolutely love tinkering, as you well know. But it'd be nice to wear out a few more sets of tyres. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little test video. I'm sorry it's not a proper moto vlog, but it will be. I'm going to go through everything with what's happened to Helga. Woo! All the changes that have been made. Talk about the paint and what I did to achieve that. The handlebars, the triple tree, everything. I want to go through all of it with you, and if you have any questions about Helga, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Absolutely love this road. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon. That'll update you every time I upload a new video, which I'm going to start aiming for sort of once a week. Once a week should be pretty good for me. But anyway, like, you take care of yourselves, guys, ride safe, and I will see you in the first moto vlog, the first official moto vlog, in a couple of days time. Take care of yourself, all the best.